What the heck?
This is Demolition Derby, where people line up and pay money to watch cars crash into one another, and in this case, whatever else they choose to add in between. Also in this case, it was teams of drivers crashing into each other for their version of survival of the fittest. But not all survive.
What'd you think of that? What'd you think of that?
That was pretty badass.
Yeah.
But there were also races, motocross stunts, and even food to be had. But my favorite part was the cars crashing into one another. Oh man.
Jester. Hey, watch your mouth, man.
Honestly, Demolition Derby is the sense of community everybody needs to experience at least once. We even snuck in snacks.
Eat some of these combos I snuck in.
But would I go see Demolition Derby again? Full video link in bio. Because